cybercurrency. It is becoming more common these days, but what exactly is it? It doesn't have a central issuing authority, like a government, and it's not something physical because it's fully digitalized. However, it has a decentralized trading system on the open market to record transactions and issue new units. Many idolize crypto as a decentralized currency, free from government, and its process called crypto mining to earn points. Crypto mining is when a computer solves mathematical problems through coded algorithms and is awarded points. These points, such as bitcoins, are traded online. Crypto mining rigs are computers designed to be efficient at mining and earning more of these points to be traded on the open market. Ever since the early 2010s, people were mining crypto like Bitcoin on their CPUs or central processing units on their computers. Over time, people started making their own computers that had even greater processing power to focus on mining crypto. These computers became known as crypto mining rigs. These computers all have minimal parts of a common personal computer, but the main parts of these mining rigs are several GPUs, or graphic cards. GPUs have way more processing power to get through algorithms faster than CPUs. And they are way cheaper compared to ASIC machines, which range up to tens of thousands of dollars per machine. This is why miners try to get the best GPUs on the market, so they can get the most processing power to increase what they mine per day. With mining rigs having such great processing power, they are able to more efficiently mine crypto compared to people on personal computers. Each year, crypto gets more profitable and popular. An average miner for rig can make over $30,000 in a single year, and a Bitcoin today is over 50 grand. So, it's not too late. You can build your own mining rig and start mining this digital gold.